Struggling with limited space and inflexible equipment, this omnidirectional lifting platform will totally change your workflow. Today, I'd like to introduce our remote control lifting and extending platform. It's specially designed for workshops to replace forklifts, enabling precise coupling and connection. The equipment has a 500 kilograms capacity, a platform of size of 1.5 by 1.4 meters, a height of 0.8 meters, and a lifting height of 1.9 meters. The platform features an extension function. It can extend 1 meter along the vehicle length, making material handling much equipped with omnidirectional Mecanum wheels. The unit moves flexibly in all directions and adapts well to complex indoor floors. Lifting, extension, and outrigger operations are all controlled by wireless remote control for high precision and efficiency. The remote system uses independent signal communication, so it will not interfere with other workshop equipment. We adopt imported electric control components with high-grade electrical systems. A full charge supports up to 8 hours of continuous work, enough for all-day operations. We offer customized design according to your requirements. Welcome new and regular customers to inquire about our customer products anytime.